My name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the back cover and the main board for this Vizio with model number M50 C1. The first thing we want to do is lay the TV with the screen facing down on our table. First thing we're going to remove are the legs. To remove the legs, we have 2 screws per leg, and then they slide out. Next, we'll remove the perimeter screws. And finally, these last few screws on the bottom of the chassis are all going to be slightly different. They're plastic screws, so they're going to be a little bit coarser thread. And so we'll keep these in a different pile. Finally, we have the screw over here for the AC power, and that one will go along with the perimeter screws. Finally, we have our mainboard screws, which are a little different, so we'll keep those also in a different pile. Finally, we can lift the back cover up, but not all the way. We have one more connector right here we need to disconnect. And now we can go ahead and lift the cover off. Finally, we can focus on the main board. We're going to start by removing the clips first before we unscrew it. Now we're going to zoom in on this ribbon. To disconnect it, we need to lift the latch up, and then we can go ahead and wiggle it out. This clip will just put pressure on the top. Same over here. Same with the very bottom one. And then for this little ribbon, we'll zoom in again. And same process as the larger one, we're going to want to lift that black latch up, and then we can wiggle it out. Now that all of our ribbons and wires are disconnected, we can start with the unscrewing. Again, these are slightly different screws, so they'll go in their own pile as well. These metal shrouds can now slide out. And now to lift this main board, there are thermal pads that are a little bit sticky, so they're going to be holding the board down. So we're going to want to very gently pry it up from all sides. Just loosen it up. If you're getting a lot of tension, just go ahead and work your way to a different side. Kind of work your way around until it finally releases. And we also have a piece of aluminum tape over here that's conductive that we'll want to peel off. If we break it, that's fine. It's actually not really necessary. But here are the pads that were sticking to the chassis of the TV. If you're interested in finding out exactly how we fix this mainboard, you can check out that video next. If you want to send in this mainboard for us to fix, we do offer flat rate services which will be available on our website, and that will be in the video description down below. If you found the video helpful or useful, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.